Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 super easy and glamorous Dollar Tree DIYs for this Christmas season. So for my first DIY I have these 2 round silver platters. I will be flipping one over and adding some string lights. Now I just used some tape to hold mine down, but you can definitely glue those down. Now taking a bag of acrylic gems, I am just going to be gluing those to the outside perimeter of my 2 silver platters. So here I have these crystal knobs that I got on Amazon, and I will be putting the link in the description box below. Using some super glue, I am just going to attach those to the bottom of one of my platters. Now taking this Tealight candle holder, I am just going to be adding my fixal to the bottom and adhering that to the bottom of my top tier. Now adding some of these pearls. Now for a more permanent hold, I would suggest using some Gorilla Glue or E6000. So for my second DIY, I have these 3 candle holder style vases, this iridescent glitter, and this white acrylic paint. Now I'll be taking my acrylic paint and I will be coating my candle holders. And then I will be going in with a dabbing motion to create some texture. Now taking this floral wire and some pearls, I am just going to be stringing 22 of these pearls into my wire. Now here I have some of this silver chain that I got on Amazon. I will also link this in the description box below. And using some super glue, I will be gluing these to the top and the bottom of my pearls. Now for my third DIY, I have these 2-piece small ornaments. I have these 2 light bulb ornaments, and then I have the larger clear ornament. And I have a pack of these napkin rings. Now taking some of this fixed haul, I am just going to be gluing all 3 of my different ornaments to a napkin ring. Now here I will be stacking my ornaments to create my topiaries. Now I have taped off my napkin rings to ensure that I don't get any glitter on them. Coating all of my ornaments with Mod Podge and then adding my iridescent glitter. So now here I'm just adding some silver glitter ribbon to the middle of each of my napkin rings. Now at this point I thought this topiary was absolutely beautiful, but of course I want to take it up a complete notch and add lights. So taking something hot, you want to create a hole. You can use a screwdriver, you can use a nail, but you want to make your hole large enough for either your LED or your wired fairy lights to go through. So here I'm using some tape and a dowel to string my lights through my bulbs, and for my bigger ornament I did place 4 of the lights inside, and the remaining 6 I will split between the smaller ornament and the light bulb style ornament. And then I will be gluing my topiary back together. So here's the final look of my topiary with the added gold glitter poinsettia and the lights turned on. I think that the lighting really took this topiary piece to the next level. I absolutely love it. And here is an all silver version of that with a silver glitter poinsettia. So let me know down below which of these DIYs was your absolute favorite. I love talking to you guys down in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.